Brooklyn Independent Television.
Hello, and welcome to Brooklyn Review. I'm Brian Vines. With their recent announcement of a new monthly fee for debit card transactions, Bank of America has prompted many account holders to look for alternatives to big corporate banks. And we're always looking for a way to save some money here at Brooklyn Review, so we went out to get some advice.
Is it credit or debit? Debit. Is that the card that puts money in your savings?
Introducing Keep the Change. Each time you make
You may be saving now, but you're sure to pay later, as Bank of America, the nation's largest bank, begins to impose a $5 charge for debit card transactions next year. Anytime you swipe your debit card to purchase something, for that month you're going to be charged $5 for the use.
I wouldn't use it for that. I wouldn't use it to purchase nothing.
Do you use your debit card a lot?
No. No.
So you're going to stick with the bank, you're just not going to use your debit card.
Right. Not going to use it.
The new fee comes on the heels of the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act. A long way of saying, where banks used to charge merchants 43 cents per debit transaction, they can now only charge 23. Bank of America stands to lose $2 billion a year in merchant fees. CEO Brian Moynihan is defending the charge, saying, "I have an inherent duty as a CEO of a publicly owned company to get a return for my shareholders. Customers will understand what we're doing, understand that we have a right to make a profit." Well, maybe he should talk to Jeff.
How many millions of people have to contribute to these bonuses that the CEOs are getting? Money's got to come from somewhere.
From your pocket.
Of course, who else is it going to come from? It's not going to come from theirs.
Although Bank of America's is the largest, it's certainly not the only bank boosting fees. Both Wells Fargo and Chase intend to charge a $3 debit fee. It's enough to make you want to stuff your mattress full of 20s and skip the banks altogether. But there are other options. Malcolm Cates is a program director at Brooklyn Cooperative, a Bushwick-based credit union, which is like a bank, but different.
Banks are for-profit institutions. So fundamentally, they're designed as a business model to get as much money from you as they can, right, from their customers. Credit unions, on the other hand, are either nonprofit or not-for-profit, and they are member-owned. So the only people that we have to keep happy are each other and our members. The day that you open an account at a credit union, you become part owner. So the way we keep each other happy is by keeping our fees as low as possible, our interest rates on CDs and other products as high as possible, and everybody wins with the credit union.
If you don't live, work, or worship in Bed-Stuy or Bushwick, there may still be a credit union near you. Visit CULookup.com or MoveYourMoney.org. But there is a more personal option.
If an individual would like to go to a financial empowerment center, we have financial counselors there who have been trained. They're professionals who will provide one-on-one financial counseling services and cover a whole array of financial matters, which include banking.
All that for less than the cost of a monthly debit fee.
It is a free service provided by the city. We are very proud to be able to offer free one-on-one financial counseling by trained professionals.
The point is, as much as they may want it, no one is going to look after your money like you can. And there's help.
When it comes to financial institutions and fees and all these structures and whatnot, we can help you demystify all of that, right? Like, we have a free resource for you to help clear that all up. If there's anything that's confusing, our counselors can help you.
For Brooklyn Review, I'm Brian Vines.
Download this program's podcast on iTunes. Keywords Brooklyn Independent Television.